Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jacky YBT, tag away, tag everything. Welcome to my channel, and if you first time visit this channel, thank you for stopping by. This channel I do tech videos, food review, tutorial, sometimes even vlog. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe. And if you are the returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Your support is always appreciated. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So this is it guys, this is the Edifier W830BT. So before buying this, I've been watching reviews, like YouTube videos, read comment about this headphone, and it's all positive. I don't see any negative review about this headphone, and the price is reasonable, and I'm happy that I acquired this product. So today is just an unboxing video. I will do an in-depth review about this headphone soon, so be sure to subscribe once again. So the box itself is quite big and it's very simple, so I'm gonna unbox right now. Take my cutter just to show you the quality of this product. I'm gonna open from the top. It's very easy to take it out, which is a good sign. Wow, just wow. So I like the packaging itself. They're very simple. The matte finish and the glossy finish. Got two different finish. The product itself is the glossy type, and the other part is the matte one. Looks very good. As you can see, it's reflective. The biggest feature of this headphone is the battery life. 95 hours playing, 60 days of standby, you know, the official claim. I will test it out to see whether it's true or not. This is wireless. I say wireless headphone. So at the back of the box, also very simple. Just briefly explain some of the features and some pictures of the product itself. You know, it comes with a travel case. With this price range, I feel surprised. You know, if you want to get a Sony headphone within 200 bucks, you won't get any travel case. But this, you get a travel case. So it supports Bluetooth 4.1. It comes with a travel case, like I mentioned earlier. Optimum audio, 10 meters Bluetooth connection, and 3.5 millimeters connector, and it also supports NFC. So to open the box, you just slide it at the side. Ooh, hear the sound, man. Whoa, okay. There's a Edifier brand logo in the middle. It's very hard to see. The box itself is very sturdy, solid, and I'm gonna lift it up. Yeah, lift it up. Okay, just gonna shake a bit. Okay, wow. So the first thing you will see is the travel case, and you can see the logo right in the middle here, and the texture is very soft. I like the feeling of it, very nice. Put it aside, and we will see an instruction guide, W830BT, and show you what's inside the box, how to use it, how to connect to your phone, etc. Yeah, you guys can stop if you want to read it. No, I'm not gonna read it because I know how to use it. Okay, put it aside. And the box itself, the quality is nice. You know, some styrofoam act as a protection. Here you also get that. It's a very tough box. You can hear the sound. Whoa, good. So now bring our star back to the center. As you can see, this is the travel case. Very good. On top, you will see a holder here for you to hang around. And the bottom, you will see the zipper. Very nice. So unzip at the bottom. Okay. And then you can open it. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Oh, you get a kind of like a fishing net thing, I don't know how to say it, for you to put your cables, your earphones also can. charging cables, yeah, everything. So there's two sticking parts here. The first, the bottom one, so you can stick it like this, and the top one. Yeah, very nice, very good. You also get all the other stuff, the cables mainly, yeah. So you get the 3.5mm headphone jack and the micro USB cable, okay, micro USB cable, and the star today. Oh, so get some metal in the band itself, the inside band, and plastic at the outside. So this is how you adjust the headband. So, okay, nice. And you see NFC logo here. The headphone jack, the charger port. You know, so they use a rubber to cover the port itself to prevent dust and water to get inside. Okay, not bad. And this is the LED light. Yeah, the volume up is here and the volume down, and the power button. So you long press for a few seconds and you will see the lights is shining. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. I just want to show you how it looks like, you know, what's inside the box and everything. And be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, share it to your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.